Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add money to your Wise account in 2025 using the latest Wise app or website. So whether you use Wise to send money abroad, hold multi-currency balance or use the Wise card while traveling, funding your account is the first step. I will walk you through the full process from choosing the right currency to the payment methods and even how you can avoid the common issues like blocked transfers or unsupported banks. The best part here is that Wise now support 20 plus pay-in currencies and it gives you local account details in several countries. So everything in this video is based on the Wise's official 25 updates. And before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first step would be to signing up at wise.com. So you need to open your web browser in your PC, in your laptop, in your mobile device, and you need to search for wise.com. Once you are at Wise, you need to provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you need to log in into your account. Now, once you are successfully logged in, the interface of your Wise account should look something like this. Over here, you will see the add money option. But before that, you need to make sure that your Wise account is eligible for the Wise balance. So if you have a Wise balance, you can add and hold money in it. So you can make payments, transfer the funds, and spend money with your Wise card. So on the home page here you will see the plus icon or the add money option, or you can select the specific balance that you want to top up. So you need to select that and click on the add option. After clicking on the add option, you need to enter the amount that you want to add and the currency that you want to add. Afterwards, you need to choose your preferred payment method and select continue to payment. Once done, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete your payment. So it is as simple as it sounds. Wise actually supports 50 plus holding currencies including USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, JPY, and even less common ones like MYR, IDR, and BRL. For BRL, due to the Brazilian guidelines, IOF tax will be charged if you add money to a BRL balance when paying in another currency. So after selecting the add option, you will have to follow further instructions, select the payment method, and you will be able to easily top up your account. Now, if you want to use that balance in order to send money directly to the bank account, here is how you can do this. First of all, you need to come at Wise, then click on the send money option over here. After clicking on send money, it will redirect you on this page where you will be able to see you sent. So first of all, you need to select your own currency or your country here. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to send. After that, you need to provide the recipient's currency. So here you can select USD, JBP, EUR, whatever you like. After that, you need to select how do you want to pay it with. By default, the bank transfer will be selected, but you can also select the your balance option. So if you select the your balance option, you will have to pay some fees, but it is quite instant and your transfers will be very smooth. So you will have to just click on the add recipient option and it will redirect you on this page. Now, in order to add the information about your recipient, you can use their Wise tag, their email address, or the phone number. This option is easy, convenient, but if you want to make the payment with the help of their bank details, simply click on the bank details option, select among myself, someone else, and business or charity, and then provide their details like the routing number, account number, whether it is a checking account or a savings account. Select the recipient's address and postal code. For wire transfers, you will have to select wire and provide further details. So you can add their bank account, or you can even provide any PDF or image captured. So whichever method you are going to choose, you just have to select that, and you need to select how much do you want to pay. On the next page, you need to review the payment and select the payment method and conclude the payment. This way you will be able to easily make the payment with the help of your added balance to someone else's bank account. So here are some of the bonus tips that I would like to mention. First of all, Wise does not actually accept the cash deposits or in-person payments. So make sure that your name matches the sending bank account to avoid any rejection. You can also add funds in one currency and you can convert instantly to another at the real exchange rates. So this is how you can add money and you can send money with the help of your Wise account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.